Yo, what's going on YouTube? Show y'all what I got right here, bro. I got a 327 motor, right? But what I done, well, I was searching YouTube for, information on, large journal 327s, and I couldn't really find anything. So, yeah, a few videos, one or two, but couldn't really find, a whole lot about it. So what I done here, right, I took a 350 block and put in 327 internals and made it into a 327 large journal. That's the block number right there. You know what I'm saying? That's so some of the specs on it, man. I got a double hump heads. Had to go double hump. You know what I mean? I don't know if y'all can see them. Y'all see them humps right there. Double hump heads. Aluminum heads. I got a hydraulic roller cam in it. I got a forge large journal crank in there. And I got a few more parts over here. Stuff I ordered from Summit. Where's Summit shit at? Fuck it, y'all see it. This is a harmonic balancer. So, plan is, man, I'm gonna throw this in my old school, bro. My 84 El Camino. This alternator right here. Alternator. Part number. 140 amp. V pulley alternator. So I'm gonna have so I'm gonna go with electric fans. You see the fans right there, electric fans. Yeah, my plan is to use an electric water pump, man, just to free up, a little more horsepower. Therefore my the motor don't have to be responsible for spinning the accessory drive. But this is what else I got right here. And I got some Doug heads right here. Got a 3-inch collector, 1 3/4 inch diameter pipes on there. And I do have to remove the paint on these right here, bro. That's the only thing I hate, though. I mean, I gotta remove the paint and paint them back. So I gotta paint this too. See that? Harley Street Dominator intake. My plan is to go EFI on here too. And my rough estimate, right, is it's gonna make around about 350, 400 horsepower. I know a lot of guys say, man, why you ain't build no 500 horsepower? But bruh, I never really felt 300 horsepower. Know what I mean? So I wanted to build something kind of mild at first. So that's why I went with the 327. I could have jumped out there, built me a 400, built me a hell, grab the big block, you know what I mean? But I said, fuck it, I'm going to start off slow, just like riding a motorcycle, man. When you get your motorcycle license, you don't jump out there on no goddamn 1300, no 1400. Hell no, you can kill your goddamn self. This is my paint right here. See it? I'm gonna try this, man. I've been checking it out. We got pretty good reviews. I'm gonna check it out. But yeah, man. So that's why I went with the 327. I mean, if I like that, I get used to that. I'm gonna build me another one. Here's the thing too, man. I wanted to make a video about that's my ring camera going off. About, you know what I'm saying, buying your motor or building your motor. Which one is better? I heard a lot of guys say build, then a lot of guys say buy. But I mean, I gotta look at all my emails and for my specs and everything. So know what I mean? If y'all want to see my specs and my build list, just leave a comment below, bro. And I'll go from there. I'm gonna show y'all what it's going in. Hold on. Y'all work with me, man. Shit everywhere. Oh man, work with me. Work with me. So no. I'm gonna put it in this right here, cuz 84 L dog, you know. As y'all can see, man, the body look good. It don't have no bad body on it. You know, it was a gift from my father-in-law. I do need some more weather stripping. I'm gonna replace all that. Right, currently I got a 305 in it, but I'm gonna take that 305 out. I'm still gonna keep it. Might rebuild it later on, but who knows? Throw that bitch in the garage somewhere. But got a good bed on it. The bed's still good. I need to clean it out. The bitch hold water like a bitch, man. I might have to drill a drain hole in it. That's it, bro. Got a real good body on it. A few little scratches, but so the plan is, man, put a motor in here. Put some gears in the rear end, and hopefully that'll be it far as the powertrain, drivetrain. And from there, I'm gonna go in the interior. The interior needs some work though. Get the interior done. Interior don't look too good. Look at the headline. I don't know if y'all can see that. There y'all go. But the headline all fucked up. I like this little motherfucker, man. I can't wait to get this bitch on the road. This gonna be my daily driver, bro. That's why I ain't want nothing too. She already gonna be a gas guzzler. I ain't want nothing too crazy on that motherfucker. Oh man. Oh yeah, she gonna be alright. Spare back there. I ain't never really looked in here. Speakers. I'm gonna put my little system in this hole. That's the L dog, man. Pretty much that's it, man. I just wanted to show y'all that 327 I'm working on. Oh man, there go the car. Show y'all too much. But big dent there. But hopefully that come out. But yeah, that's it. That's it, man. Like I say, man, y'all can leave a comment, man, and I go through my emails, get all my specs for the motor. Man, but I'm working, man. I'm working. You know, just coming along. Appreciate y'all, man. You know, I think I got like 20-some subscribers. That's cool. We gotta start somewhere. But y'all keep liking, man. You know, keep commenting. And I'm gonna keep bringing the videos, man. Keep bringing the videos. Appreciate you.